Welcome to the investor demo for Tutor Chat AI. A little bit about the background of the company. We were formed about 2 months ago. We came about because I was asked to review a few artificial intelligence tutoring platforms. Uh, they were not good. They're very popular, I guess, but they are not good. They do not teach people. They tell people. They give you answers and don't actually teach. So those requests came from the manager of a tutoring area at a local community college. We Since then I have gone through and made some simple changes. I kicked over a very rough version to them, and it ended up getting passed all the way up to the VP of instruction. So from there, I decided it was something worthwhile to keep doing, and I am about done having it built out for a minimum viable product. I hope to have it in a beta test in that college in September, where we will gather some data on effectiveness, usage, that kind of thing. Uh, so now we will get into the demo. I'm going to be hiding as much of my personal data as I can on this because I don't want to get email bombed too much. And I intend to put this on YouTube and promote it a little bit. The This is the campus admin dashboard. So this is what you would see if you are uh, the admin of a campus. You're in charge of the campus tutoring, that kind of thing. Uh, You got your list of students. You can add students by CSV. Uh, you can add them manually, search students. You can see activity right here. And we are sending out a rating email on logout for each session to gather rating informations. This is actually what they do at the local college. They ask for how well did you understand this when you started, and how well do you understand this now? So we're tracking that, and students asked, questions asked. I do need to add in another location for rating chart. I'm just going ahead and logging into a different account right now to actually see uh, this. This is what you have. This is our start for the total school admin. So this would be what you would see at the system or uh, main campus or whatever it is, wherever they control any school, any campuses that might be below them. They'll be able to, see all students, their activity as by campus and by as an entire organization. Uh, I'm still working on getting the actual data filled out, but this is approximately what you're going to look like. You're going to have more information available like the campus dashboard has. So this is where the value really is in Tutor Chat AI. So just like pretty much anything, you can create your own threads. Finds here, and we can just start by telling it what we need to do. I need And here we go. This is what you get. An actual conversational piece of information that is useful to teach people and not just give them the answers. Uh, oh, let's see. And ask deeper questions. Yeah, yeah, ask some more. Here, the computer is stored in bits. Each bit has one or zero, not with the qubit. Qubit can be state 0 or 1, just like a regular bit, but it can be in superposition. Well, I don't know. What's superposition? You just kind of fall down a rabbit hole and into this situation where I have done this several times myself, where I just go through and I get so interested in what is going on, what I'm researching or trying to learn, that I end up going off on tangents and learning way deeper information than I intended to when I started. So that's the basic. This is where the value is in teaching people and giving them information in clear and concise manners and not just handing out information. Handing out information does not do anybody any good. Uh, an AI tool that just gives the answer and a little explanation of it, like ChatGPT, like most of these other tutoring AI platforms do, is just spit out an answer with an explanation, and it doesn't really teach. So that's a quick overview. We do have an admin dashboard that allows updates, controls, fix issues, and monitor ad schools. The goal, the system is built to work for educational programs. The work for colleges, work for larger organizations. We are building in a option for individual students to create their own accounts, create a subscription, that kind of thing. But it's primarily built for a contract with a educational institution, a college, primary school, secondary school, that kind of thing. Uh, what I am doing here right now is asking for an investment. I'm asking for up to $300,000 for 20% of the business. It'd be a $1.5 million valuation. And the purpose for that is to actually build it out and get more custom information in it, do more security, and start with some organizational outreach. And build this into a business with real income and real profit and revenue over the next 5 years. I expect at about that end time a liquidity event, be it a sale or IPO or something along those lines. I'm not sure, but there will be some kind of a liquidity event at the end of that. Uh, if you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to me. My phone number is 712-348-3940. And my email is KR, no, not that one, JEREMY at TUTORCHAT.com. Yeah, if you'd like to know more, please reach out and I'd be happy to answer any questions.